The top 10 tech trends everyone must prepare for in 2023. Since it's my duty as a futurist to look forward, I cover the new tech trends that will influence our digital world over the course of the following year every year. Which technology are most popular right now? What are the most crucial trends for which corporate executives should be ready? The 10 crucial tech developments for 2023 are listed in the following. AI everywhere. First, artificial intelligence will start to exist in businesses in 2023. Any firm will be able to take advantage of no-code AI's capacity to develop more intelligent products and services thanks to the technology's simple drag-and-drop interfaces. This trend is already apparent in the retail sector. Customer-specific clothing recommendations are made by Stitch Fix using AI-enabled algorithms. In 2023, contactless, autonomous shopping and delivery will be increasingly popular. AI will simplify the purchasing and delivery of goods and services for consumers. Nearly every job and every business function across all industries will benefit from AI. In order to manage and automate the intricate inventory management procedures that take place behind the scenes, more businesses will adopt AI. Convenience trends like buy online, pickup at curbside, buy online, pick up in store, and buy online, return in store will all become commonplace. The newest autonomous delivery programs that retailers are testing and implementing will also be powered by AI, and more retail employees will need to become used to interacting with machines to do their jobs. 2. Elements of the metaverse will materialize. The phrase metaverse, which I don't particularly like, has come to stand in for a more immersive internet in which we will be able to work, play, and interact with one another on a constant platform. According to experts, the metaverse will contribute $5 trillion to the world economy by 2030, and 2023 will be the year that determines the metaverse's course for the following 10 years. The fields of augmented reality and virtual reality will develop further. The metaverse workplace is one to keep an eye on. In 2023, I think that we'll have more immersive meeting spaces where we can collaborate, brainstorm, and create together. Microsoft and Nvidia are actually already working on metaverse platforms for teaming up on digital projects. In the coming year, avatar technology will also progress. If motion capture technology is used, our avatars will even be able to mimic our own body language and movements. An avatar is the presence we portray when we interact with other users in the metaverse. Further advancements in autonomous AI-enabled avatars that can represent us in the metaverse even when we aren't signed into the virtual world may also be on the horizon. To perform training and onboarding, businesses are already utilizing metaverse technology like AR and VR, and this trend will pick up steam in 2023. The NTH floor is a metaverse setting that has previously been developed by consulting firm Accenture. Replicas of Accenture workplaces from the actual world are present in HR-related duties that can be performed by current employees who are not physically present in an office. 3. Web3 progress. Additionally, 2023 will see a huge advancement in blockchain technology as businesses produce more decentralized goods and services. We currently store everything in the cloud, for instance, but if we decentralize data storage and encrypt that data using blockchain, our information will not only be safer, but also have novel access and analysis methods. In the coming year, non-fungible tokens will be easier to use and more useful. For instance, NFT concert tickets may allow you access to backstage activities and artifacts. NFTs might represent the contracts we enter into with third parties, or they could be the keys we use to interact with many of the digital goods and services we purchase. 4. Merging the physical and digital worlds. The gap between the digital and real worlds is already starting to blur, and in 2023 this trend will only grow. This union consists of two parts: 3D printing and digital twin technologies. Digital twins are virtual models of actual operations, goods, or processes that can be used to test novel concepts in a secure online setting. To test under every scenario without incurring the enormous expenses of real-world research, designers and engineers are adopting digital twins to replicate physical things in virtual environments. We'll see even more digital twins in 2023 in everything from precise healthcare to machinery, autos, and factories. Engineers can adjust and change components after testing them in the virtual world, then create them, and engineers can modify and design components in the virtual world before employing 3D printing to produce them in the physical world. For instance, Formula One teams now gather information about racetrack temperatures and weather conditions, as well as data from sensors that are delivered during races to see how the cars change. Then, they run scenarios to make design modifications instantly using digital twins of the engines and other automotive parts to which the data from the sensors is streamed. Based on the findings of their testing, the teams then 3D print car parts. 5. Increasingly editable nature. We will live in a world where we can make changes to material, plants, and even humans by editing them. Nanotechnology will enable us to create materials with completely new features, such as water resistance and self-healing capabilities. CRISPR-Cas9 has been around for a few years, but in 2023 we'll see gene editing technology accelerate to give us the increasing capability to edit nature by altering DNA. Gene editing works a bit like word processing, where you can take some words out and add others in, but you can do it with genes. Gene editing can be used to correct DNA mutations, solve the problem of food allergies, increase the health of crops, or even edit human characteristics like eye and hair color. 6. Quantum advancement. A global competition is currently underway to create quantum computing at scale. We may expect computers to operate 1 trillion times faster than the fastest regular processors now on the market because to quantum computing, which employs subatomic particles to generate new methods of processing and storing information. Any country that develops quantum computing at scale has the potential to render our existing encryption practices worthless, making it possible for them to decrypt the encryption used by other countries, enterprises, security systems, and other entities. As nations like the US, UK, China, and Russia invest heavily in the development of quantum computing technology, this is a development to keep an eye on in 2023. Point 7. Development of green technologies. Stopping carbon emissions so we can address the global warming catastrophe is one of the largest challenges the world is now facing. Green hydrogen, a novel clean-burning energy source with almost no greenhouse gas emissions, will continue to advance in 2023. The first significant green pipeline is being built from wind farms in the North Sea by Shell and RWE, two significant European energy firms. The creation of decentralized power systems will also advance. Using this technique, distributed energy generation creates a network of small power producers and storage that are placed in neighborhoods or individual homes, allowing them to function even when the main grid is down. Currently, our energy large gas and energy firms currently control most of the system. But decentralized energy initiatives have the potential to democratize power while lowering carbon emissions. 8. Robots will develop human qualities. Robots will resemble humans even more in 2023, both in terms of appearance and functionality. These robots will serve as event greeters, bartenders, concierges, and senior citizens' companions in the real world. As they collaborate with people in manufacturing and logistics, they will also carry out complicated duties in factories and warehouses. A business is making great efforts to develop a robot that can perform human-like tasks in our homes. Elon Musk demonstrated 2 Optimus humanoid robot prototypes at Tesla AI Day in September 2022 and declared that the company would be ready to accept orders in the following 3 to 5 years. The robot is capable of simple tasks like picking up objects, and waiting will have access to robot butlers that can assist around the house. 9. Development of the autonomous system. Business leaders will keep developing autonomous systems, notably in the delivery and logistics sectors. Many warehouses and factories have already attained partial or complete autonomy. By 2023, there will be even more autonomous cars, ships, and delivery robots on the road, as well as even more automated factories and warehouses. To sort, lift, and move items in its highly automated warehouses, Ocado, a British online supermarket that bills itself as the world's largest dedicated online grocery retailer, employs thousands of autonomous robots. The warehouse also makes use of AI to position the most well-liked commodities close to the robots. The Ocado business is now introducing the automated other grocery merchants the technology behind their productive warehouses. 10. Using more eco-friendly technology. In 2023, we'll finally witness a drive toward greener technologies. We are all addicted to technology, such as our smartphones, tablets, and computers, but where do the parts come from that are used to make these devices? People will be more interested in where the rare earth materials used in products like computer chips come from and how we use them. Additionally, we use cloud services like Netflix and Spotify, which continue to operate in sizable data centers that use a lot of electricity. As consumers expect energy-efficient goods and services that are supported by more sustainable technologies, we'll continue to see efforts to make supply chains more transparent in 2023. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest and upcoming technological trends.